Yeah, this is what you like.
Oh. Thank you, buddy. These are the boys that build up, and you can hear the saw, right? You can hear it in the cuts. You can hear it. It sustains its RPM. It sustains it. This is skip, dude. Skip is nice, but I do like my full house. I grind chain. That's something I haven't spoken about. I wouldn't run ground chain in this wood. I wouldn't do it. Square ground chain. Different. It's faster. It's just faster and smoother. But I wouldn't run it here. I wouldn't run it here. It takes an edge off pretty quick. Like you know. I know right now when I've hit a grain of sand with a freaking square ground chain. Round is, you guys hear about chisel file? This is chisel, which comes the side plate and the top plate. They meet, and it's chisel. Then there's semi-chisel, which is a bit round. You'll see those different chains, and then you got round. And the round is very forgiving in rocky hardwood, believe it or not. In dirty conditions, like on the dry land, you know, and you're down on the landing skidding, you know that. Round chain is a great chain, and you can get fairly aggressive with breakers nut, but I like the full chisel chain. You point at the next log you want cut, young lady. What should we do? One more cut here. You point at the log you want cut. This one. Well, this one's rotten, so I like that. That's gonna make me look mad. Yeah, it's got a big hole in it. But I think we'll just cut this one right out. Have some more fun. So this is sandstone. That looks to like, you know, actually that's pretty hard stone. Basalt maybe. But this is why you'll see me on my channel. I will literally take an axe out and I will debark along. I've done it here. I did it when I got here. It's a futile exercise to grab a power saw and just climb into a pile of dirty rocks and start cutting. You'll start a fire before you get the firewood cut with the friction. So just spend some time, roll your logs around, clean your logs, find space, take your time, enjoy it. These things are so fun to run. When you get that longer bar, and if you're planning on running a longer bar and making the jump from this to maybe getting up. We kind of don't pack power saws around actually in the bush. You don't pack them. You're not like this. You know how hard that is to do right like that? We kind of drag them. We do. We kind of drag. We use them as a cane actually, and to get around it. So the weight thing, I'm not all about that. I don't understand the weight thing. I don't. See, all of a sudden the saw just became very light. It did. It's extremely light. So I'm not here to freaking change your minds or do anything. I'm here to show you something different. That's all. For your power saw experience. You're going to start running longer bars. I suggest a 70cc class and up. For your 28s to 36. I suggest 70 cc's and up. And I suggest getting them ported and putting some mufflers on it, get these things working. That's what I suggest.